So here we're going to take this relation, these coordinate points, and change them into a table and as a graph. Then we'll look at domain and range and then identify if it's a function. Okay, so for table, you're basically just taking all of these coordinate points and putting them on a t-chart. -2 goes to 5 right there, -1 goes to 4 right there, 1 goes to 3 right there, and 2 goes to 4 right there. So there's how you would express this relation as a table. Okay, and then as a graph, you're just plotting the points. So you got your plus on your piece of paper and you're just plotting the points. -2 at 5 is there, -1 4 is there, 1 3 is right there, and 2 4 is right there. Okay, for domain and range, remember domain, that's your list of possible inputs, your x's. Okay, so that's all we're doing is listing the x's. And you can look here on the table, you can look at the x's from the ordered pairs. You can even look on the graph here, right? So I got a dot here at a -2, boom, that goes right there. -1 has a dot, that goes right there. 1 on the x has a dot, and then 2 on the x has a dot. So there we go. There's our domain. Now for range, that's your list of corresponding y values. Okay, so the y values, you can look here, 5 4 3 and a 4, 5 4 3 and a 4 there. On the graph, it looks like this, right? So there's no y's down here. Oh, here at 3, there's a y value at 3, and at 4 we actually have 2 values, and then at 5 there's 1 value there. And I'm looking at on the numbers on the y-axis, so that's how we get our range there. Quick note, if you have a number that repeats, like here we have 2 4s, you don't write the number down twice. As soon as you write a 4 down, you don't have to write any other additional 4s. It's just 4 is one of the corresponding y values. We're just listing the y's, okay? And you don't, on your list, you don't have to repeat the number for domain and range. Okay, is this relation a function? Yes, it is. Each x goes to exactly one y. -2 goes to a y, -1 goes to a y, 1 goes to a y, 2 goes to a y. So we're good on that. Yes, it's a function. On the graph, right? -2, -1, 1, and 2. They all go to one y. They only have one dot on their column. Okay.